Good morning, guys. Today we're going to be making a Thai-style fried egg. Your ingredients: 2 eggs and fish sauce. First thing we're going to do is going to crack these eggs open, put them in the bowl. There's 1 and 2. Okay. And then you're going to add a couple dashes of fish sauce. Don't put too much. Fish sauce is very strong and it smells, but just a little bit, just like that. A little bit. I like to put just enough so the eggs don't taste plain anymore, and just the right amount to make it a little bit flavorful. It smells, but once you cook it, it doesn't smell so much, but it tastes great. This is the fish sauce I'm using today. There are other brands. Everyone has their own preference. This just happens to be the one that I bought. Some will say the other one's better than the other, but it's sort of like saying Bud Light's better than Coors Light. So it's really just your preference. I don't really care too much. Fish sauce is fish sauce to me. Alright, now that we know that our oil is hot, we're going to add our egg. I'm just going to pour it in. So for this egg, I folded it in half, so the outside, as you can see, is brown and crispy. The inside is going to be moist and fluffy. After the egg is done, we're going to eat it with some rice. Okay, as you can see, this was a very easy recipe to make, very easy meal to make. A lot of people just like to have it for breakfast or just a quick meal. Get you full for the day or for a few hours. Voila, that's it.